In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create Figma account. First, open any web browser you are comfortable with. In the search bar, look up Figma's official website and head to the home page. On that page, find and click the button that says Get Started for free. This takes you into the sign-up flow. You'll be asked to choose how you want to sign up. If you prefer speed and simplicity, select Continue with Google. This links your Google account and gets you in quickly. If you'd rather keep things separate or use a different email, choose the email option. Enter your email address carefully and create a strong, unique password that you don't use anywhere else. When you are ready, click the Create Account button to proceed. Next, check your inbox for a message from Figma. Open the email and click the verification link to confirm your address. If you don't see it within a minute or two, look in your spam or promotions folder. Verifying your email protects your account and enables key features like project sharing. After verification, you'll see a brief initial setup. Figma may ask a few questions about your role and how you plan to use the tool, such as whether you are designing solo, collaborating with a team, or just exploring. These prompts help tailor your experience, but you can skip them if you'd like and adjust preferences later. Now, a quick overview of plans so you know what you are getting. The free tier is great for getting started. It includes up to 3 files, 3 pages, per degree Fahrenheit, IL, and limited version history. That's enough to learn the interface, build small projects, or collaborate on lightweight work. When you outgrow that, there are paid plans, professional, organization, and enterprise. These unlock additional features like more files and pages, advanced permissions, shared libraries, and expanded version history, which are helpful for teams and more complex workflows. If you are a student or educator, here is also an educational plan that provides access to professional features at no cost. You can apply by following Figma's education guidelines and verifying your academic status. This is a great way to practice with the full toolset without paying while you learn or teach. That's it, your Figma account is ready. From here, you can create your first file, invite collaborators, and start designing. Remember to keep your login secure, and consider enabling extra security features in your account settings. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get started smoothly.